What if an AI could build you a money-making system that runs while you sleep? No coding, no team, no complicated software. In this video, we will show you exactly how people are using AI tools like GPT, Zapier, Tiscade, and affiliate marketing to build real passive income systems in 2025. These are real workflows you can set up today, even if you're not tech-savvy. Let's clear something up. Making money while you sleep doesn't mean doing nothing. It means setting up a system once and letting AI do the repetitive work. The formula is simple. Use AI to create or deliver value automatically. Connect that to something that makes money: affiliate links, templates, or subscriptions. Promote it once and let it run in the background. Let us show you exactly how to do that using no-code tools. First up, Tiscade. It's a no-code AI productivity platform that lets you build smart templates and workflows. Here's how one creator used it to build an automated content funnel. They created a GPT-powered weekly planner using Tiscade's AI blocks, offered it for free as a download to attract subscribers, on the thank you page. Affiliate links to Notion AI, Grammarly, and Jasper. The result? Over 800 downloads in the first month, and daily passive clicks on affiliate links. You can even sell pro versions of the planner on sites like Gumroad or Payhip. Next up, Zapier. A no-code automation tool that connects your apps together, and it works brilliantly with GPT. Here's a beginner-friendly income idea. Use GPT to generate daily, niche tips, like crypto facts, finance quotes, or wellness prompts. Feed that content into Google Sheets. Zapier grabs each tip and sends it to your email list via ConvertKit or MailChimp. Include affiliate links in every email to tools or courses you trust. Once it's live, this runs automatically. One creator earned $550 per month doing this in the productivity niche, all with free AI content and zero code. Affiliate stacking is when you combine multiple products into one value offer. And with ChatGPT, this becomes effortless. Here's a method. Ask ChatGPT to write a top 5 AI tools for solopreneurs landing page. Insert affiliate links for each tool, like WriteSonic, Copy.ai, and Beehive. Build the page using Card or Framer. Both no code, drag and drop. Share the page in niche communities like Reddit, Quora, or Twitter threads. Some creators turn these pages into PDFs and sell them on Etsy or link to them in YouTube descriptions. You're building once and letting the traffic and income come in over time. Want something even more passive? Try combining GPT with PLR content, that's private label rights, and turn it into AI-enhanced digital products. Here's what that looks like. Find PLR ebooks or reports in your niche. Use GPT to rewrite or improve the content. Add design using Canva or Canva's AI features. Package it as a lead magnet or sell it on Etsy. You can even sell custom GPT prompt packs, digital journals, or AI content kits, and people are buying them every day. A creator on Twitter shared how they built a GPT-powered morning motivation email series. They wrote 30 prompts using ChatGPT, used Zapier to drip them one per day to subscribers, added affiliate links for journaling tools, books, and coaching. After one Reddit post and a few tweets, they had over 1,200 signups, and by month 2, over $600 in recurring income. All built in a weekend. A few quick tips to make sure your setup actually works. Don't overload with tools. Start with one stream. Get it right. Track your traffic and clicks. Use Billy or Google Analytics. Use AI ethically. Only promote tools you believe in. The difference between spam and smart automation is value. You don't need to hustle 24/7. You just need a system that works while you rest. AI makes that possible, right now, and with no code. So which idea are you going to try first? Drop your plan in the comments, or ask questions if you want help setting it up. And if this helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to stop trading time for money. More no-code AI hacks are coming every week, here on Tech Nova.